Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data. On the application of DeepSeek, you will click on Settings. Here you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then you will search about DeepSeek app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on Clear Cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about DeepSeek. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.